Hello, my name is Kim Marie Staron and I'm a founding partner at Primus Family Law Group located in San Diego, California. I practiced family law in California for over 23 years. I represented both service members and their non-service member spouses in numerous divorces throughout the years. And one of the calls or the questions that I get in a very initial consultation is whether or not a non-service member spouse is entitled to a portion of the military retirement because they had not been married more than 10 years. That is not the law. What the law is with respect to the 10-year rule is that the Defense Finance and Accounting Service, what we refer to as DFAS, will not enforce a division order unless you have been married more than 10 years. You are entitled to a portion of the military retirement irrespective of whether you were married a year, 4 years, 6 years, it doesn't matter. Military retirement is considered property, and in a community property state such as California, it is divisible as property. Now, how we divide it in California is what we call the time rule. And the time rule is basically a formula that is the number of months worked during the marriage divided by the total number of months worked. So for example, if you were married for 4 years, you have 48 months. And if the person was in the military for that 4 years, 48 months, and it's going to be divided by the total number of months that they're actually in the service. So if they are in the service for 20 years, it's going to be divided by 240. Now that's not a large interest, but it is also multiplied by 1/2 because you only get half of the community interest. It may not be a large interest, but then there may also be some things that you want to negotiate for because again, if you're married under 10 years, DFAS will not send you the money. You will have to go after the service member when he or she retires in order to get your monthly payment. So that's the information we have. That is a very, very simplistic way of looking at military retirement, which is a very complex issue in divorces. And what we would suggest that you do is contact someone who is familiar both with the law at both the federal and the state level so that you get your fair share of the military retirement, or if you decide to negotiate it away, that you are actually able to negotiate a fair deal. Thank you.